What if I told you that the world around us is amazing? That there is far more than what meets the naked eye? And that good health, vitality, and knowledge of our planet is at your fingertips? If that's what you're seeking, then you're at the right place, my friend. Together, let's draw conclusions on the natural world. Digital friends. I'm hoping that your day and week are going phenomenally, and the world is working ever more in your favor. Now, today's session with Bryght Idea is a wild ride, so please brace yourself as we embark on the journey of determining if veganism is the right diet and lifestyle for you. Now, before we get started, I'd like to specify that the purpose of this video is not to push for or against veganism, rather than give a factual and personal explanation to help you better assess if it's beneficial to your life or not. Cool? Cool. So, what is veganism? It is the practice of eating only food not derived from animals and typically of avoiding the use of other animal products. Now, this can go as far as a complete lifestyle change with the type of linens and clothes you wear, etc. You can go a long way with that. Or just not eating any animal products in your foods. Now, some people use veganism as a support for animal rights, and other folks just generally feel better when they eat less meat and dairy. It really just depends on a personal level of how far you want to take going vegan means to you. So let's start with the benefits of going vegan on a health level. There are a ton of studies showing reducing your bodily intake of animal meats and products greatly improve your gut health. They reduce your blood pressure, reduce cholesterol, reduce heart disease and heart illnesses. They can improve kidney function. They can improve your gut health overall. They can improve your cellular makeup, helping fight against cancer. They can reduce risk of cognitive impairment, reduce inflammation, and they can even help reduce our carbon footprint on the planet. But these are just a few things that many studies have said about the benefits of going vegan. Now, I'll be posting a link below of where you can check out other health benefits and other worldly benefits of going vegan. I personally went vegan for about a year and a half, and I loved it. I lost a significant amount of weight, my skin looked healthier, I felt lighter, I slept better, and my blood pressure was lower, I was on top of things, the world was brighter, and I even felt a closer connection with nature. But these benefits did come over time. But I can guarantee you that if you were to go vegan, you would notice a difference in less than 2 weeks if you were to go vegan, that is. It's basically a one-way track to becoming closer with nature through a lifestyle and diet change. And I know it sounds crazy, but this will actually ground you on so many levels. Now, one of the biggest struggles for many folks going vegan is the craving for meats and cheeses. We live in a society that feeds us animal products at birth, and our bodies will notice a difference over time when our bodies don't receive it. Now, many vegans I know, and myself included, is that sometimes you just don't ever feel full. It doesn't matter how many beans, tofu, plant proteins, and even veggies you ate. It's like there was this feeling of never feeling full, which is really frustrating because it feels like you're doing your body a justice by cutting out harder to digest foods like meats and cheeses. However, you just don't feel the same as before. But that's not the same for everyone who chooses a vegan lifestyle. Now, I truly believe that when you spend time making sure that your body gets adequate vitamins, minerals, and everything that it needs with plant-based proteins and supplementation, that it can be an amazing lifestyle. But that's just not for everyone, especially if you use your body and it sweats a lot and builds a lot of muscle. When you go vegan, your life will change for the better. But it is important that you must eat a healthy plant-based diet. If you don't, you might as well have shot yourself in the foot. I mean, French fries, beer, even Daya pizza, they're all vegan. But that's all junk food. That's vegan junk food. And when you go vegan, be sure to eat as many vegetables, nuts, and legumes, beans, whatever you want to call them, and plants as possible. If you want to thrive with this lifestyle, at least. I think so many people think that just because they eat without animal products, that their diets are guaranteed with these benefits that I have listed previously, that they're going to be saved from some kind of health problem. That's not true. You need to eat a healthy, natural lifestyle. That's why I like to call it plant-based. And if you think that just because you're eating some fake processed food lifestyle, well, that's absolutely false. What helped me stay on the straight and narrow is by just kind of whittling out these minimally processed vegan foods. Try to avoid things like saturated fats, GMOs, alterated colors, factory foods of any sort if you can avoid it. Now, go ahead and go vegan. I would honestly recommend anywhere from 5 to 6 months in. I honestly think that it may be exactly what you need in your life. But if you feel like your body is missing some key nutrients at that point, and you feel like your body is screaming that it needs certain things that you're not feeding it, then it is time to incorporate meat back into your diet. Now, personally, I enjoy exercising. Anywhere from riding my bike on mountain trails, to working out, to casual day-to-day lifting at work, I could tell that after my time going vegan, it just wasn't for me. My body felt not right, it kind of felt ill. I would stand up and I'd feel dizzy from a lack of iron. I would get anxious from a lack of magnesium, and I honestly just kind of felt shaky all the time from a lack of B12 and vitamin D that my body was missing from so many animal products. So I gradually started introducing meat back into my diet, and I started to feel normal and healthy. Now, I know that what I'm about to say is gonna make a lot of vegan activists really angry on the internet, but I'm honestly here to be real with you on this channel, and what I'm trying to say in one sentence from this entire session is that going vegan is not for everyone, but it is fantastic for some people, and it can be absolutely life-changing when a lot of people do it. I hope that this video provided some clarity about whether or not veganism is right for you. Some people thrive with it, and other people do great for a while, but wind up doing their body an injustice. It's ultimately up to your lifestyle, and it is ultimately up to you to take care of your temple and make sure that you are thriving on this beautiful world that we live in. If you enjoyed this video, please drop a like and a subscribe, as well as hit that bell for notifications for when I do drop regular videos about the natural world around us. Now, I'll also be posting links in the description below about our Spotify version on this video, as well as some other great resources for veganism and your health. Now, I hope that you really enjoyed hearing both sides of the argument in this session. That's something I really enjoy, is to hear both the negatives and the positives, as well as just hearing both sides of the argument. Now, take care, stay inspired, stay loving, stay humble, and always travel as much as you can. Signing off, and Bryght Idea is gone.